we want to make sure that when people come here, they understand that God has gifted them with talents. And we want this to be a place for them to uncover those talents and to become the people that God's destined them to be, uncovering those skills, creating companies, launching products, doing research, and connecting with the community in such a way that everybody will understand that God has called them for greatness.
I hope it enriches my resources and gives me more time to work on my projects outside the normal one class a day schedule.
It's a dream come true for our family. We are so excited to be here on this very special occasion and to be able to see where education is going to go in the Adventist system.